Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Reeve knives large Sebenza 31 in for a quick review. This is a pretty cool knife, guys. It's the Sebenza 31. This is the evolution of the 21, which is the evolution of the Sebenza. This is not an inexpensive knife, especially because it has like a Boomerang Damascus blade, and it's gonna be around $650. This is made in the US, in Idaho, of course. It's a frame lock titanium knife. I mean, Reeve invented the frame lock. It's 8.35 inch long when open, and the handle size is 4.71 inches. Beautiful titanium sandblasted, great drop point blade, 3.625 inch long. It's fantastic. I mean, the hollow grind on this guy is superb. Great slicer. The sound this guy makes is the Sebenza sound, but just a little bit perfected. Hear this. Very nice. It's very different than the 21, but pretty cool. Ceramic detent ball ramp causes the sound of the Sebenza to change. When you close it, yeah, classic champagne clinking, champagne glasses, sorry, clinking together. Really, really cool. The weight of this guy is 4.7 ounces. The clip is probably my only gripe on this one. It's pretty simple, not really classy, but fit and finish is just incredible. Tolerances on this one are just fantastic. They incline the clip, so there's way less hotspot brought up by the clip ramp. Nice jimping going on. Action is, guys, this is glassy smooth. It's the Sebenza action, so the tradition, it's there. I mean, if you know the Sebenza 21, you're not gonna probably feel any difference in the action on this one. Beautifully running on washers. I mean, it's just a pretty cool knife, guys. So if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.